Ayan, mami naman tayo sa mga fans. Charin! Ayan!
My thoughts are with you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only put your love, remember how we will never see it the same.
Ayan, mami, yung buka naman sa gitna. Ayan. At syempre, before we start this celebration, I want everyone na mag-start tayo sa masaya. At syempre, inaanya ko lahat na tumayo for our opening prayer to be led by Sir Larry. Ayan po, Sir Larry. Nasa Sir Larry? Ayan. And we encourage everyone to please stand for our opening prayer. Thank you so much. Small, so,
Thank you.